I, who have been in this space for quite some time, I still have hiccups with contractors. It's an ongoing thing. Even if you have good crews, you're always gonna have some type of hiccup. If you don't have a direct guy that you use all the time, a contractor I should say, go ahead and get 2 or 3 bids. 2 to 3 bids helps you formulate a conclusion of what the real rehab is. One guy might not look at the job 100%. One might look at it very detailed and give you a detailed outline of the scope of work. The third one might just be detailed and give you a better price.
Turning dreams into deeds, got the world thrilled. Full circle firm on top, my fate sealed.